Here are three things that made me become more productive over time. The first one is do not check your phone as soon as you wake up. The morning is the foundation of the day. It's a powerful period. You're still in between sleeping and you're starting to get up. So your subconscious is really clear, gets so much clarity. This is my personal experience, but as soon as I stopped checking my phone, as soon as I woke up, my productivity skyrocketed. You want to think about maybe stretching, maybe sitting quietly, a bit of meditation. You might start cleaning, you might go for a walk, but you don't need any inputs as soon as you wake up. Whatever it is, you want to do this as soon as you wake up. Keep your phone away as long as possible. The second thing is track everything, track as much as you can. The most successful companies, they run on data, they build from data, they think about data all the time. And you need to build this kind of methodology into your personal life. It is not easy. I would always advise to start from a to-do list. So write down at least three things you want to get done each day. You want to do this for months at a time. When you get super comfortable with this, you want to start tracking the impact of these things that you do. So you want to start seeing your output versus your outcomes. So not just doing these three things, but doing these three things at a specific time in your calendar. But this can only come after months of building this habit. Start with three things you want to get done each day. After a while, you want to start putting this on a calendar, fixing them to certain times when you do these things. After a long time, you want to think more about outcomes and prioritization. So, what is the impact of these things that I'm doing every day? So, data compounds, data builds on data. If you've not started tracking what you do, don't go into some technical way of doing it. Keep it super simple. Just start writing down the things you want to get done and make sure you get these done every single day. The last thing to help you build productive habits or become a more productive person is to commit to one non-negotiable daily. So this is a habit, this is a behavior that you commit to. When I say non-negotiable, is that you do not miss this. You try as much as possible not to miss this non-negotiable. For some people, it could be I sleep 7 hours, at least 7 hours each night. What that means is that you're going to build your life around this. So if you need to sleep 7 hours each night, that means you need to have a good wind down time. For you to have a good wind down time, you have to do all your work before this time. So you can see how you start building out your calendar because you have this fixed non-negotiable. It must be done at the same time, it must be the same task, it must have the same output. You just commit to it. I do not miss this. And life is going to happen. You're going to miss this non-negotiable, but the principle is never miss twice. We'll talk about that in another video. I'm building a productivity tool called Zendu. Sign up in the link below.